Progress Test, Unit 1. 1.
When I was 9, I broke the top of a cupboard in my bedroom. When Mum came upstairs and asked about the noise, I stood in front of the cupboard to hide it and told her it was nothing. After that, I put magazines and books on top of the cupboard so that Mum couldn't see it properly. I felt bad about not telling the truth, so I told Mum what really happened a few months later.
2. One day, my friend took a new smartphone out of her bag. I was envious because I really wanted a phone like that, but they cost so much money. I was very suspicious when she refused to say where it was from. I asked her which shop she got it from, or if she found it somewhere, but she didn't say anything. I asked her again and again, and in the end, I found out that her parents gave it to her for her birthday. She was embarrassed to tell me at first because it was such an expensive present. I was just happy to know the truth.
3.
I play football for my school, and one time we played a game against another school, and the players weren't very nice. I was a little bit anxious when I took the ball off one of the players, and I was right to be. He tripped me up, and I sprained my ankle. Although my ankle really hurt, I played for the rest of the game. At the end, I got chosen as the man of the match, and I felt extremely pleased when my coach told me how well I played.
4.
My teacher's good, and I usually really enjoy her lessons. But last week I had a bit of a problem with some grammar that she taught us. I don't think she explained it very well, and when she gave us some homework, I couldn't do it. I didn't tell her my problem for a few days because I was worried and didn't know what to say. When I finally told her, she explained it in a different way, and it was really clear.